If you're seeing Facebook error code 429, don't worry. This usually means you've sent too many requests in a short period of time. In simple terms, Facebook is temporarily slowing things down to protect the system. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get back into your account or continue using Facebook normally. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, the most important thing is to stop refreshing the page over and over. A lot of people see the error and immediately keep pressing refresh, but that can actually make the problem worse. Facebook may keep blocking requests if it thinks your activity is too frequent, so take a pause, stop clicking refresh repeatedly, and give it some time to reset. Next, wait a little while before trying again. Sometimes error 429 is only temporary, and the best fix is simply to let Facebook calm down for a few minutes. After waiting, try refreshing the page once using F5 on your keyboard or the refresh button in your browser. Don't spam it, just one clean refresh after a short wait. If the page still won't load properly, the next step is to log out of Facebook completely and then log back in. This can help reset your session and clear temporary issues tied to your account. To do that, sign out from Facebook, close the browser tab if needed, then open Facebook again and enter your login details. Many times, a fresh session is enough to get past the error. Another thing you should check is whether you're using a VPN or proxy. If you are, disable it temporarily and try Facebook again. Facebook can sometimes flag VPN or proxy traffic as suspicious, especially if multiple requests are coming from the same shared IP address. Turning that off may help Facebook recognize your connection more normally. If you're using a browser extension or automation tool that sends repeated requests, that can also trigger the same error, so it's a good idea to pause those tools as well. At this point, you should try loading Facebook again slowly and normally. Avoid opening too many tabs at once, avoid rapid clicking, and avoid repeatedly logging in and out in a short period of time. The main goal is to show Facebook that the request activity has slowed down. If the error still appears, wait a bit longer and try again later. In many cases, error 429 resolves on its own once the rate limit expires. So to recap, the quick fix is to stop refreshing, wait, refresh once after a delay, log out and log back in, and disable any VPN or proxy if you're using one. These steps solve the problem for most users without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you fix Facebook error code 429, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.